Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a trending secret couple eye with a pix art. So here all you have to do now, you can try to open the pix art app, then try tap plus button or tap plus icon. So here we go. In order to create one, you can tap the tools, and here you can tap stretch, and here you can try to use the swirl CCW or swirl CW, so you can pick one. So here for example you can tap and hold in order to create a swirl effect. So if you mess up, you can undo. And after that, you can check the top right corner of your screen, tap in order to save it. Then tap again tools and tap selection. Now here you can select an area by tap oval, and here we go. So choose the eye that already swirled before. Then after that, finish it by tap right corner at the top of your screen. Now after that, you can tap again tools, then choose a crop. Here tap crop, and here we go. So you can save this the swirled eye to your gallery. Now here you can create a background or draw a background and add photo. And here you can try to readjust or resize. Next, tap again add objects, then tap sticker. So here you can tap planet, then try to find the Saturn ring, this one. So here we go. So you can try to attach the Saturn ring with the swirled eye before. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.